Good morning. Now I have gone through a fantastic judgment with a, a great doctrinal effect by the judges in the area of law of tort, and particularly MACT-OP. The judgment referred various oldest judgments which is being referred in law of tort lessons. AR 2020 Supreme Court 776 Kajal versus Jagdish Chand and others. In the given case, the young girl sustained injury and she suffered 100% disability. She filed compensation. Therefore, the High Court, by referring just compensation, granted compensation determining various aspects. That was challenged. Therefore, whether there was pecuniary damages, non-pecuniary damages, plea and suffering, everything was discussed. And for your kind information, the tribunal has awarded, High Court has awarded, considering the age of the girl 12, there was no multiplier system because she is alive. Income 15,000 was considered 100% disability. Loss of income and permanent disability compensation was 2,70,000. Pain, suffering, loss of amenities 3 lakhs. Then important things, attendant charges 3,20,000, 2,500 for 44 years. That attendant charges is meant for somebody by engagement and payment of salary should attend the girl because she sustained that much of 100% disability. Future medical expenses 2 lakhs. Loss of marriage prospects 3 lakhs. Medical treatment 1,38,501. Transportation details special diet 50,000. In all 25,78,501. There was several discussion. The Phillips versus Western Railway Company, wherein Queen Bench decision 1874 was discussed. Then Western Sons Limited versus Stafford case. Then Ward and James case. These all are Lord Denning's case. McGregor's Treaty on Damages. That book was also referred about law of tort. Those who are interested in detailed analytical study of law of tort may go through the entirety of judgment. Finally, referring our judgments, the Supreme Court has awarded in all total 62,27,000 was awarded with interest. They said expenses relating to treatment, hospitalization and transportation 2,50,000. Loss of earnings 51,000. Loss of future earnings 14,66,000. Attendant charges again accepted 21,60,000. Pain, suffering, loss 15 lakhs. Loss of marriage practice 3 lakhs. Future medical treatment 5 lakhs. So totally this amount was awarded. So keep in mind while somebody approaches for compensation, kindly go through the judgment. Then what I would like to state that in Hindi there was a saying, if anybody suffer from any disease, dar aur dawai karo. Treat that patient with medicine and as well as drinks. This was the procedure we used to follow. Earlier, even if somebody is not taking or in the habit of drinking, so they were administered with sedations, intoxicants, so that he will have deep sleep. When I was at Madhya Pradesh, when there was heavy flu fever, in Madhya Pradesh, which was considered to be a very poorest state, they simply give some sedation and allow the patient to go to sleep for hours together. See, this is the way they are treated. There is no wrong in opening arak shops. It is left to the citizen's liberty to consume or whether to maintain his health by proper and limited consumption, or if we want to consume excess, as somebody is eating too much and fell in so many consequential diseases. It is like that only. And the persons who object need not worry about the persons who are aspiring for that. However, the government has to run with income to share the same, the needy corners. Best wishes.